Welcome to Aquaplatticodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. With AI advancing so quickly, some people worry about whether robots will take over jobs. But here's the real question. What if robots could make your job easier, safer, and even more profitable, instead of replacing you? Police departments worldwide are already proving that automation can work alongside humans, not against them. China, for example, has begun integrating robotic patrol dogs, humanoid police assistants, and AI-driven surveillance units into law enforcement. These robots help officers patrol, collect data, and communicate remotely, reducing risks while increasing efficiency. Think about it. Robots take care of routine tasks and hazardous situations, allowing human officers to avoid unnecessary dangers while focusing on critical decision-making. And here's the best part. Robots don't take salaries. With robots handling repetitive work, police forces can accomplish more with the same workforce, increasing productivity without additional hiring costs. The extra budget? That means better equipment, improved working conditions, and possibly even bigger paychecks. Imagine the funding that would have gone into hiring more officers now being used to improve benefits, increase team budgets, or enhance workplace safety. And it's not just law enforcement. Other industries with physically demanding or undesirable jobs could benefit just as much. Think about construction workers, who could have robotic exoskeletons lifting heavy loads for them, or warehouse employees, who could offload repetitive lifting tasks to autonomous systems. Factory workers could let robots handle the most tedious assembly line work, reducing exhaustion while keeping the paychecks flowing. Even sanitation crews could use AI-powered waste collection robots, minimizing exposure to hazardous environments while making the job easier. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about working smarter, not harder. If the police force can leverage AI and robotics to reduce effort while increasing output, why shouldn't other industries do the same? Instead of resisting automation, maybe it's time to embrace it for your own benefit. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Aquaplatticodon. See you in the next one.